Today we want to take you through the Global Navigation, which is on the far left-hand side of your Canvas window. We've already talked a little bit about the Account and Dashboard section. Under Courses, the main reason you'll probably go into Courses is to designate which courses you'd actually like to see displayed in your dashboard. So if I scroll down to the very bottom where it says All Courses, you'll notice some of mine are starred and some are unstarred. Only the courses that are starred as orange are going to show up in my dashboard. So this might be useful to you if you have quite a large number of courses. Maybe you teach quarterly classes and you really only want to see those classes for quarter one. You would then star those classes for quarter one, leave the others unstarred. Then when quarter two rolls around, you'd unstar your quarter one courses and come back and star your quarter two. So you can do that under the Courses section. The next four areas we're going to dive into a little bit deeper in future sections. So I'm going to skip all the way through those and down to our Help section. This Help section is going to be really invaluable to you as you begin to learn and navigate Canvas and create some content for your courses in the fall. At the very top are the Canvas Guides, which is really helpful. I'm going to skip that though just for a minute and show you some of these other resources. There's a video on how to integrate Flipgrid into Canvas. There is a video on remote classrooms and video conferencing. The live chat would actually be chatting with Canvas support, so you can get some assistance that way if you need some immediate help. There's also a support hotline. The great thing about the support hotline is that it's not just Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. If you needed assistance in the evening or on the weekends, you can call this support hotline. There are some other services down here, some portals, which contain a wealth of training videos and courses. These COVID-19 resources are specific to learning online, but I really want to spend most of our time looking in these Canvas guides because there really is so much information there. The guides, if I click right into the guides, you'll notice there are ones for instructors, also for students and observers, which is what we call parents in Canvas. So you not only have information for you, but also to share with the community. If I needed these guides in Spanish, for my English language learners, I could simply click on Spanish, and they have these exact same guides in Spanish, not just for teachers, but again for students and also for parents. In addition to the written guides, there are also video guides. So if you like watching videos like this one and getting assistance that way, you'll notice it's split up by the type of users. So if you scroll down to instructors, you'll be able to find information that's specific to creating content in Canvas. So if I wanted to know more about how to customize my homepage, I could watch a little video on how to do that. If I wanted to know more about people and how to add people to my courses, I could click on this people video. Or I wanted to know more about SpeedGrader. Just like with the guides, there are not only videos for instructors, but there are also videos for students and videos for observers that you could share with your students and parents. If I scroll all the way back up to the top under this Home section, there are also, under this Canvas Instructor area, tools for just online learning and digital learning. I really like the ones that are in this Teachers tab, especially for those of us that are maybe a little bit more new to Canvas. There's a Canvas 101, some strategies to get started, a Prepare to Launch with Canvas, LMS, a Teacher Quick Start Checklist, which I know a lot of people are saying, well, what do I really need? Here's a checklist for you. These videos, if you're like me, you can watch them fast on double speed and get through this 40-minute video in 20 minutes by adjusting your speed there. So I would encourage you to really kind of check out that area, check out that help section, and be able to watch a few of those videos. No matter if you are a brand new user to Canvas or you are a more seasoned Canvas user, you can find some information there that will be helpful to you. In addition to those resources within Canvas, we would recommend that you join, if you haven't done so already, our ITCs for All PWCS Facebook group. We have information, lots of information on Canvas, but then some other PD information that will be helpful as we move into digital learning in the fall. We also have a YouTube page, ITCs for All PWCS, where again we have some videos on Canvas, some of our other PD sessions that Katie Fielding is doing, Make It Work Monday, and that Biz Summers is doing, Tackling Your Time Tuesdays, will also be uploaded here. If you're a YouTube fan, Canvas also has their own YouTube page, so you can subscribe to that or just check out their videos. Some of them are a little more lengthy if you really want to get a lot of information. Some of them are very, very short, and you can obviously search this area and pick and choose according to your needs.